everyone, good afternoon.
Hello everyone, good afternoon.
Okay, today we have task for speaking with Sona. Are you ready, Sona?
Yeah, I'm ready please.
Oke, kita sudah mempelajari ini kemarin. Materinya tentang culture ya.
Ya.
Oke, there are an activity too. Di pertemuan 10 yaitu communication and culture and juga stereotype and prejudice. Okay, there are a question for 3 questions.
Yeah.
Okay, have you learned about?
Yeah, I have.
Okay.
Yes, I have.
Question number 1. Have you ever visited another country or another place other than your own? If you so, what were some of the surprising things you saw and experienced during your first few days? Okay, Sana. Please answer.
Okay. Before I story my experience,
That's your experience.
before that I never visit the country, another country. I never go to abroad before.
Okay.
But I had a experience. It's different to me. So I so impressing or what
Yes, impressing about.
about the culture
Mm-hmm.
in this place, in that place.
Okay.
In that
You never traveled to abroad, but you have a travel in
Another
another place or another village.
another place.
Where is it? Is still in Kalimantan or out?
That is still in Central Kalimantan,
Okay.
and that is my grandma village.
Okay, your grand village.
Okay, and I visit her
Mm-hmm.
for weekend,
Mm-hmm.
and in her village, it's there are ceremony.
Ceremony.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's
ceremony.
a ceremony for a culture of Hindu Kaharingan,
Okay.
and I saw a few, not a few, but I saw one show.
Mm-hmm.
One show it's so horrified to me because the visual is so make me scared.
Make you scared. Okay.
Yeah.
First of all, I have a question. How far from Sababila village do you live? Excuse me, guys. There are a big chicken. Excuse me. Wait a moment.
Okay. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
those people kill the buffalo
Mm-hmm.
with a sharp spear,
Okay.
tombak tajam.
Okay. There.
We not we they stamp the with the buffalo in their belly, their hand.
Okay. The sharp option on the body part.
Yeah, but
It's belly or I don't know. It's stomach. Oh, belly.
belly stomach.
Okay. So maybe neck part. No.
Yeah,
Sometimes.
sometimes
Okay. Sometimes neck but often on the
belly.
yeah
Yeah,
belly part.
stomach. Yeah,
Okay.
belly part.
So killing the
Killing
buffalo.
the buffalo.
Oke, jadi membunuh kerbau. Nah, yang membunuh kerbau itu ditombak di bagian
Perut.
perut, kemudian kadang-kadang leher juga.
Okay. The neck. Yeah.
Oke, next.
And after the buffalo death,
Mhm.
they cook for it when most people in the village.
Oke, jadi sona maksud sonya itu adalah the buffalo. Oke, karena cuma satu ya buffalo.
No, it's maybe one or two
Oke, buffaloes.
buffaloes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. The buffaloes a lot. Not just one buffalo. Jadi buffalo itu dibunuh, kemudian biasanya dikonsum. Oke, konsum, dimasak. Also, those people and the people were killed and also cooked together for the people or those people around for the
Yeah.
ceremonial. Itu biasanya dikasih untuk pengunjung atau hanya keluarga-keluarga atau hanya untuk merayakan?
No.
Because one buffalo, I know that buffalo is too big,
Yeah.
but you know a lot of people come and
Maybe.
visit
Maybe
to.
maybe they have a Hindu Kahringan religion.
Okay. Yeah.
We consume that together.
They consume it together.
I just saw it. I
Okay.
don't
Have you ever eat the buffalo meat?
know.
No, never.
Never.
I had experience when I was child. When I was child. Yeah, my childhood story in the bus.
Okay.
And I have 5 years old, and my mom and my father which mean my parents, also bring me to the place for Wara place. So I been in there and saw the buffalo, one big buffalo, and then and I kill it. But my mom bring the meat, but I never eat it because it's too how to express too hard. The consistent of the buffalo meat is really hard. Yeah, and it smells too.
Yeah.
It smells so bad. For me, it smells so bad. How about it?
Yeah, I never see that the cook.
The process when
The
I
process,
was
yeah.
clean and prepare and everything. Okay, but for me that it's really smell. Yeah, smells not good. It's in my opinion. Okay,
Okay.
and then how? Have you just it?
Just it.
Okay, just it. Okay, second question. Okay. So this one I have the list over here, but I said no, you just write and then get to me and the time, so she have the list on her head. Okay, number 2. What seems particularly different from life in your country?
Okay. Maybe in my country is general. Maybe the most people know.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the costume. I mean the costume. Maybe the most people sure pasti tahu. Sure know. And for answer that question, I will telling.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. I will telling my story from I thought it's from my custom life. Kebiasaan that look.
Okay. Your habit.
Yeah, my habit.
Yeah, that's your habit. Then?
This is from my family.
Mhm.
We learn about that every day. We do that every day.
Mhm.
It the costume it mean is always direct do the dishes
Mhm.
after we eat them.
Oke. So Sona mengatakan bahwa em, setelah makan,
Uh-huh.
ya, kebiasaannya adalah mencuci,
Langsung mencuci.
langsung membawa dishes yang misalnya ini, this is flat, kotor, now dirty plate or dirty glasses
Ya.
or stuff like that, and bring to or direct to the kitchen or wastafel maybe, yeah, so clean it, um, because this is the habit.
Ya.
Number one. Okay. And then,
Okay. Then we did that habit.
mhm,
It's first
mhm.
my grandma told all of us.
She had told,
She had told
For
all of
your-
us, yeah,
okay,
that we must I I speak.
it's
I
such,
said, yeah,
such a rules in your family.
yeah, the rules.
So clean this dishes and everything after you eat. It's like a rules because she believed that with that to clean to be
Yeah.
habit. How about you guys? At my home too. Well, but sometimes I leave it to clean the dishes. Sometimes yeah, but I totally agree with Sona. With your grandma also, of course. Um, every after you eaten and all the dirty stuff bring at the kitchen or vegetable come like this.
Yeah.
Beautiful. And then
And the habit come from it's because my grandma told had told us mythos.
again the
Yeah,
mythos.
I say that
Say the
mythos.
mythos, yeah.
I say that mythos
Yeah, the mythos.
because I don't know that it's true or not.
Mhm. Which mean mythos is such as we don't know the real effect
Yeah.
of the the suggestion. Okay, her grandma gave a suggestion to clean, or and her grandma told about the mythos, kind of like that, and which mean a mythos because you don't know the fact and
Real.
something for support of proving the word, I said the
Yeah.
sentences, and then
Okay. She had said
Mhm.
to us, if you guys not do the dishes direct after we eaten,
Mhm.
so your debt you pay, so you can pay your debt, your utangmu,
Okay.
so long, to need a long time.
Okay. So your grandma scary or
Yeah.
menakuti ya.
Yeah.
So sorry no, that counts. Okay. I have I
Don't
have to
jump.
I have to tell you that your grandmother, scary your family.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, with that mythos or thinking like in the past thinking that everything must clean, everything must green. Yeah, I know. Which mean it's such apa sih namanya makna ya. So
question?
Thank you so much. Please.
Maybe I when I do the test,
Okay,
I
okay.
think so hard. I
Okay.
try to find the answer because I thought we are in on our village is not a special customs,
Mm-hmm.
but finally I found the
You found?
I found the answer to
Okay, found the answer.
answer. So the answer is, guys, when ceremony of wedding
Mm-hmm.
in our village,
Yes.
you guys maybe always saw it, always see it.
Mm-hmm.
The food, some food,
Okay.
and a food,
It's like a product.
yeah,
Yeah.
and uh,
Ingredients.
the ingredients from
Is the main food, the main product. You know, the main product is like rice. And
Yeah.
Yeah.
from glutinous rice,
Gluten.
gluten
Okay, gluten rice.
gluten rice.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then and we call the food is dite.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You are gonna know the details mean
Yeah.
rice.
Rice
Like the rice such this
Sticky.
yeah, like clay,
clay. Yeah, yes,
Yeah.
clay.
Like a clay. Seperti when smash them,
Mhm.
it's many kind like the structure like a smash them and then put inside, it's like tumpi kan,
Yeah.
membuat tumpi guys is smash them after cook
Mhm.
and then put on some clay
Yes.
and then smash them, itu namanya menumbuk ya, atau menumbuk atau menghantam smash ya, smash them, ini boleh mungkin disebutkan, or the dite
Yeah.
ya, smash them and then create to be popular, it's the most popular traditional food, like these foods ya, kayak it's bukan cake ya.
Yes.
It's kind of like a cake. It's a food, like tumpi. So it needs smash. But others kind it's just a little bit smash, but not really soft
Yeah.
and really like very smooth. But just smash, put in some place like a ball, and then cut after more after preparing more cold, then need cut.
Yeah.
Ini sekarang nih pesannya. Dite sih, still dite ya. Okay, still dite but with coconut.
Coconut.
Yeah, with
Coconut.
coconut.
With brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
Yeah.
Okay, brown sugar
And
itu
coconut.
gula aren.
Ya, gula aren.
Oke, jadi gula aren dicampur Kayaknya atau she believes that everyone over here to believe that like that, but the most it's gluten rice or this is more, like mystic, the people more believe in this, including mystical, including the necessary. I think this is more than necessary because the people like it, right? I actually I really like the gluten rice, but the mythos also say that when you often and always, I said often consume the gluten rice, it's you have tipes, a sickness, tipes. Nanti kena tipes kalau makan banyak dite, ya kan? So kind of like this. So for me, that the dite or gluten rice is special because always be everywhere, everyone needs it for the ceremonial. I guess the same like the coconut, right?
Yeah.
The coconut is the main product or the main
ingredients.
Ingredients.
Yeah.
Item. The main item is so big. Okay, the main item for every ceremonial. Like more like traditional. I said it's more traditional, guys. Yeah. Because not every modern, not every modern using those items or completely all necessary wedding ceremonial. Right. Okay, that's it, Sana?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for today. Okay, thank you so much for today, guys. Makasih banyak hari ini. Tes speaking untuk saya sebenarnya sih bukan tes speaking, lebih ke praktis ya. Kemarin karena kita sudah punya materi, karena sudah ada materinya. Jadi setiap materi itu ada pertanyaan atau activities, yaitu Sona sebagai saya sebagai tutor dan Sona adalah anak didik saya, jadi selalu diberikan activities karena Sona kan sudah bisa speakingnya. Okay, she quite fluent speaking English, and karena dia sudah quite fluent, cukup fasih dalam berbahasa Inggris, jadi selalu diberikan activity, yaitu mengembangkan pikiran-pikiran yang sudah kita pelajari tentang budaya. Jadi budaya itu seperti apa, kemudian activity, dan dari activity itu pertanyaannya,